Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create form at typeform.com. Well, first of all, we have to log in into our TypeForm account, and let's start in our workspace. And straight in the middle we have option of create a typeform. So we're gonna hit that, and we can go with start from scratch, use a template, or create it for me. Those are the three basic options you get in every single form maker. We are going to start from scratch, and we now have to wait a bit until it all boot up. So give it a name. Let's go with typeform tutorial. What are you creating? We can go with the research survey, request form, quiz, poll, payment, all of those options that we're gonna cover in next videos. And let's go and start the quiz and hit that continue button. So take a moment to get comfortable, no thanks, and here we are. So we have a basic builder of the forms. So your question will be like, do you like autumn? Choice 1 gonna be yes, choice B will be no, and we can add a choice like don't care. So right now we can get more questions once you just click this little plus button and you go with multiple choices, short text, statement, picture of choice, many more. You can also upload a file. I believe you can go with a photo as well, and yeah, it's pretty easy, but I'm gonna go with multiple choices. You see here we have a little bit of photo here. We can change it from your gallery. If you started with some of the galleries, I have my trusty wolf here, and we can put it in here. So that's about it. That's how you create a form, very basic one, and also a quiz. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.